student, there is a good news for you. There is a vacancy out from Tamil Nadu State Transport Corporation Limited, and the vacancies for apprentice, for graduate as well as diploma engineers. So let's talk about it. This particular application you can apply online, and this is for the graduate and diploma holders who have done the engineering in 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023 and 2024. But the condition is that you should be from Tamil Nadu. So if you are belonging to, if you have a domicile from Tamil Nadu, then only you can apply. And there is also one more provision here, that is 1 year apprenticeship training under the Apprenticeship Act 1973. तो आपके पास 1 साल का कम से कम क्या होना चाहिए, ट्रेनिंग सर्टिफिकेट होना चाहिए. Now second is monthly stipend you will be getting of 9,000 for graduate apprentice and 8,000 for diploma apprentice. If you will see, there is a vacancy for mechanical or you can say automobile engineering. The number of vacancies for graduates is 170 in different regions of TNSTC, and if you will talk about diploma apprentice, then the number of vacancies are 125. Now we will talk about civil engineering students. Civil engineering students have 10 vacancies for graduate and 5 vacancies for diploma apprentice. Now some vacancies are also there for branches like computer science or information technology, that is 12 and 7, and for electrical and electronics engineering there is 9 vacancies and 3 vacancies for diploma engineers. Okay, now some vacancies are for non-engineering graduates, but here if we talk about only engineering students, so we will not talk about that. The minimum qualification they are saying that if you have done graduate or you have done BTech, then at least first class division में आप पास होने चाहिए. You have scored at least 60%, and in similarly in you can say in diploma also. Now next that talking about is the important part is the application date. Online application will start from 30th 9 2024 and last date is 21 10 2024. It means 30th of September से लेकर 21 अक्टूबर तक आप इसके लिए अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. The declaration of shortlisted is 28/10. It means when you will apply for this particular job, then the shortlisting will be based on the marks you have scored in graduate engineering or you can say in diploma engineering, based on for which type of apprentice vacancy you are applying. And the declaration of shortlisted candidates will be listed on 28th of October. So there is no examination. Basically here the marks are the basic you can say criteria of being shortlisted. Then the verification of certificate, they have asked you for the apprenticeship certificate at least for 1 year. So from 13th of you can say November to 15th of November you will be called for verification of certificate, and after the verification you will get this apprenticeship job. So if you have any more questions about the details of this particular vacancy, you can comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching us. Thank you.